Hi, hello. For this week, I add some interactive function to my lessons. I didn't change any content shows above until here, the quiz session. So I add a check answer button to each questions. So and then a function is if I click, let's see, I answer none of them and click check answer, it will become red, which shows the answer was wrong. And then if I click K2 and check answer, it will become green, which means the answer that you select is correct. By completing this, I add the button here. And then for the JavaScript function, so the adding button part is in the HTML, but actually the JavaScript function is under here. Let's see. This part of the code defined the first question in the quiz. What will happen when I click the check answer button? The first line based on the ID to find which option that users choose, and then from the second line that to find the button to check if the answer that user collect is correct. If correct, then the button will become BTN success, which is green. If not green, if select the wrong answer, and then it will turn BTN danger. Same kind of logic in 2 and 3, even it's in multiple choice. It's more complicated than the simple choice questions. For the course evaluation part, I add some interactive function as well to let user know that the website is listening or watching what they enter. Let's randomly click. If the user type the email address like this and then click submit, the alert will show please correct the error before submitting. If I click my name as 1 2 3 4 5 and then submit, the alert will show please correct the error before submitting. Also, the line here, the box here will turn red, which shows the thing that you're typing is not correct. Same as the name, it turn right. So let's see. If I say at blah blah blah.com and then click submit, and then it turns green, but the alert will still show please correct the error before submitting. Why? It's because the name that you typing is still wrong. So 1 2 3 4 5, let's see, Emily Wang, and then submit again. The alert shows again, please correct the error before submitting. Why? Because you need to enter the first name and last name, so there is space between first name and last name. Let's see, a space between my first name and last name, and click submit. It will turn green. When both email address and name turns green, the alert will show the evaluation is submitted, even though actually it's not, because I don't know how to do it, but an alert will show as what the website usually do. Oh, forgot to mention that here for the email address, the correct term that people have to use is it has a at, also a dot, and then either .com or .edu, and then some letters before between at and then .com or .edu. And by completing this, let's see, at the beginning of the JavaScript, there is a var username and email. Has two functions. Function get username and then get email. There is a to state. So the check email and check name will check if the to state is valued by the document query selector, user email, style, background color to change the red or green. And then the submit is by the alert function through the JavaScript. So that's what I changed for this week. It takes a long time for me to figure out the multiple choice check answer part. So yeah, I hope you like it.